Hey guys, welcome to my Sunday. I rent a little studio here in Kelowna, British Columbia. This is it. I'm very pleased with this little spot. The weather outside is frightful today, so we're not going to be wandering. We're going to be in this little apartment doing some acrylic painting, and I'll give you a little more insights into I Will Wander. This shirt, without the paint, is available. Wait, there we go. This shirt's available at iwillwander.com without the big belly and the paint. There's also different colors, different patterns. I changed the logo up to make it look a little better. Give me one sec. Right now I'm painting with acrylics. I usually do acrylic pour, but today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to put a bunch of acrylics down on the canvas without diffusing them. Either mix them with water, this special mix, or Elmer's School Glue. You get all this stuff at Dollarama. These paints that I use, get that right in there. Those are $1 at Walmart or Dollarama, and the canvas I get at Dollarama or any of those cheap stores. They're like $3. So what I'm going to do, as I'll show you, is I'm going to put a bunch of acrylic dollops on the canvas. I'm going to use one of these. These are called, they're just metal scrubbers. Something you scrub a pan with or something, and we're going to create a bunch of patterns with these. I'll show you the end result when we're done. So I'm going to start with yellow, and we'll just dollop it onto the canvas. Okay, this is the next phase. All of the acrylic drops have been, I can't get this framed properly, have been put down properly. And believe it or not, that's not all random. My mind actually sees a lot of that before we start. So, next phase now. I may do a painting in future where I just put down the acrylic in this form and leave it at that and let it dry and see what happens. But for this one, we're going to use the metal scraper and see what we get. Okay, we're done. This painting is going to be called Clandestine. I have no idea where these names come to me, but that's what this one's called. Thanks for watching, guys.